Now we learn how to add a new background. To add a new background, we have to click on the background button here to add a new background. Now the screen as shown here appears. Then you have to select the required background of your choice. Then click on the tick sign here to add the selected background. Okay, so now you have become to know how to select a background in this Scratch Junior. Now we'll learn how to change the character. If you want to change the character, bring the pointer on the default sprite. Okay, so this is the sprite. So if you want to change the character, bring the pointer on the default sprite, then press the left mouse button and hold it. A red cross sign appears on the sprite. You can see here. Click on it to remove the default sprite now. Okay, so you can see we can remove the default sprite by this process. Now to add a new sprite, click on the plus sign in the left pane, and here is the plus sign. So if you click on this plus sign, the screen as shown here appears. Now select the selected child and click on the tick sign to add the sprite. Suppose I am selecting this, the rabbit. Then click on tick sign to add the sprite. So now you can see already we have added the sprite here. Now in this lesson we learn how to say hi using the say block. To make the sprite say hi, you have to click on this block in the blocks palette. Now drag the say block. Here it is, the say block, from the blocks category to the coding area. Okay, now click on the say block and the message will be displayed in a speech bubble on the stage. So here you can write the message. Okay, so now we can see it will be displayed in a speech bubbles on the stage here. Now we'll learn how to use hide and show blocks in Scratch Junior. So to do this, we have to click on this block in the blocks palette and drag the hide block from the block categories. Now click on the hide block in the coding area to see the sprite disappear from the stage. Here you can see the rabbit already disappeared from the stage. To bring the sprite back on the stage, drag the show block here. This is the show block from the block category in the coding area and click on it. The sprite will again appear on the stage. So this was basically the hide and seek.